Okay, so the last example I have for you here is where we're going to be finding the length of our chord, okay? So in this question here, we have a child's toy in the shape of a sphere with a duck with some water inside it, and as the ball rolls around, the water will remain at the same level. So the diagram opposite shows the cross section when the sphere has been halved. So if you cut that toy in half, this is what it would look like. So obviously you've got the water at the bottom. So in our written section, let's look at what we're told. We're told here, given that the radius of the sphere is 6 centimetres. So your radius is 6 centimetres, okay, that's important to remember. And then we're told the depth of the water is 4 centimetres. So that's actually been marked on there for you, is that depth here is 4. And we're being asked to find the width. So this time we're being asked to find this width across this way. Alright. So by now we should be able to draw in where our triangle is going to be. So we know that we're going to have our triangle being formed by our radius, because it's quite a slim triangle there. So we know our radius is 6 centimetres. So we know that side there, the centre out to the edge is 6. And actually that vertical side of the triangle, we can fill that in as well, because we know our full radius is 6. So if we've got 4 centimetres at the bottom, that would make that little part that's left up there a 2. 4 and 2 for 6 in total. So if we just take that triangle out, draw it out separately, we've got 2 centimetres, we've got 6 centimetres, and we've got this bottom edge missing. Now that is obviously half of that full length of W. So if we just find this side, let's call it X, we can then double it up and that'll give us the full width of the water. Okay, so for our working, we're going to have X squared equals 6 squared, and it's a short side, so it's minus 2 squared. So X squared will be 36 minus 4, which is 32, and then our square root of 32 is going to leave us with, I'm going to go for 1 decimal place, 5.7 centimetres. So for W, all we have to do there is double up that value, okay? That value that I've found there is just that green part, that's only half of the full width. So we just have to double up our answer. So 5.7 times 2 is going to give us a total width of 11.4 centimetres. Okay, so what I would like you to do today is finish off question 1 to 5 from yesterday. So if you didn't manage to start it, if you managed to do a bit, wherever you were, do those first 5 questions, and then we can move on and look at questions 9 to 12 from just the next page over. Alright, so please make sure you're drawing out the pictures, you're taking your time to fill in the values, read the questions carefully, and if you're stuck, please make sure that you ask for some help.